Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation with your hands to the seat of your chair. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, shoulders, spine, abdomen, chest, and neck. Release and return to center, moving into a forward bend variation. Step your feet wide, rooting down through both feet. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And on your exhale, fold forward from your hip creases, sweeping your arms towards the earth. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath. With each inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, gently fold forward from your hip creases, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, legs, and back body. Pausing and upright, place your right forearm to your right thigh, reach your left arm overhead, sweep across the horizon and to your left thigh, repeating on the opposite side. Continue moving at your own pace, feeling a gentle stretch through your spine, shoulders, arms, and side body. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.